Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and I'm back with another tutorial. I just want to tell you all Happy New Year's, y'all. This is my first official makeup video for New Year's. And I think I did decent, you know. Just trying to keep up with my uploads, so definitely upload it for you all Friday. This is definitely Friday's video, so I don't want to keep you long in the intro because I just want to get right to the look. If y'all want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. I am so excited because it is 2020, so Happy New Year's, y'all. Let me start off the video by saying that y'all always want me to start off with my eyebrows. If y'all want an in-depth video on how to do my eyebrows now, let me know below. Brow gel from Anastasia Beverly Hills, y'all. Only put them on my eyebrows so that my eyebrows can lay down. I really think the clear brow gel causes it to have a shiny look. So what I like to do is I like to get some powder, pat it off, and I like to press that powder into my brows. Just like that. So you look like you have no brows, y'all. So right now, I've been using so many pencils. You already know I go from the top brow to the dip brow to the regular pencil to anything for my brows. But I'm absolutely obsessed with Benefit brows. I really never go to Benefit because I don't know, they don't be having really much that interests me. I like Plouise stuff. Like I like the over the top stuff. So I don't know if it's over the top thing. But for my brows, lately I've been loving that hairless looking brows. Like I'm gonna post a picture right here so y'all can see my brows like maybe 4 years ago. Horrible. But it's all a learning process. So if you're going through that, don't worry. As the year goes, you're going to get better. 4 and 3.75. So I like to go on with number 4 first in the back and then 3.75 in the front. So I'll take 3.75 in. In the front, I like to flick the pencil up. This is how my brow looks before I even conceal it. Ooh, I don't even have to conceal it, y'all. Period. I'm going to do this brow off camera and I'm going to come right back. So all filled in, I want to take my NC45 MAC 212 brush. I feel really confident that I'm going to end this year strong. I also want to do a giveaway, but I can't do a giveaway until we reach 300K. We are, I think we had 230,000 or still at 229. This year we gotta reach over there, y'all. I'm telling you, we got to. So we buff 142 buffer brush and buff out that concealer. Back, y'all, and I primed my lids and did the other brow off camera, and I went in with my Plouise base number 6 and 5. I want to try my Juvias Place minis that were sent to me, y'all. Like they are so pretty. Like my favorite one, but my favorite two are these right here. I don't know, I've been into nudes lately and I love this palette. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I love this palette. It's so pretty, so soft. Like you can use so many soft colors with that, and you can pair it with this one too. I like this one too. It's pretty, but these was my two favorites. And it's purple. I've been into purple lately. I don't know, it's just so pretty. I don't know. I'm holding my lids like this because I don't want to crease, both of them to crease. So that's why I hold it like that. And then this last one is this palette. I'm gonna pack this out. My medium shader brush from Makeupaddiction, y'all. Chocolate palette. I'm doing it this way because I just want this shade to be right there. So I'm going to take the Berries by Juvias Place, and I'm going to grab this shade and this one. It's all about blending, y'all. I'm telling you, that's the technique. Blend your ass off, baby. So I'm also taking it down. So I'm going to my Voss palette by the Voss. So these are neon pressed pigments, and I am going to grab these two. The person I'm using is it's from Morphe, but it's a Jaclyn Hill 30 brush, and with the yellow and pink. And then I went ahead and added this peach color. This one. A Morphe Pro Blender, and grabbed that chocolate brown that I had. So this isn't even, that's chocolate brown. And I'm going to basically put that on drag this out. Berries palette, and I added this color right here. It's like creative. Get your creative juices flowing. So I went in a whole different route, y'all. I definitely want to add these neon colors from Helen Pigments, the pink pigment. So now I'm going to add this orange. On there. And I'm dusting this on. I got the colors laid down. What I'm about to do is go back with each individual color, and I am going to blend everything in to make it look seamless and bright. My NYX matte liquid liner. I'm going to line. For concealer, I went ahead and took my Tarte Tape Shape. I want to say Born This Way Sable concealer. shimmers underneath the lid. I'm going to take some shimmer shades and smoke it out. So I'm not for sure yet what I'm going to put in my waterline. I'll take this purple, smoke it out. I put black under my eyes instead of white. So for highlight, I'm going to take my Makeupaddiction Bronzified highlight. Blush, I'm going to take a pink blush. This blush right here. Out of the take my no shine powder. I don't know what this pencil is, y'all, but I'm gonna take this pencil and I'm gonna line my lips. This look, I'm going to do gloss. So y'all know I wouldn't go this bold. I would do like new lip, but if y'all want to do new lip, y'all can do that. I just went bold, okay, real bold. My tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, like, comment, and subscribe, and I definitely will see y'all in the next video on Monday. Don't forget, Monday. Catch me there.